Hello dear friend, there is a major update for LibreOffice. Isi jara case here. Once again, you are welcome to resolve for you. You know LibreOffice is the best replacement of Microsoft MS Office. Microsoft is very costly. If you want to use it freely, you have to do some things, pirate the software. But in LibreOffice, it's a totally free, open source. It has been developing by the wise community and developers all over the world. We are cooperating and donating it. Today there is a major update. If you use LibreOffice, don't forget to update, because every year this is the update. After this update, LibreOffice will work more stable and performance. There is a performance boost. Some features have been added. We will go through all those features in this tutorial, and we will know how to use basic use of LibreOffice, how LibreOffice is compatible with the MS Office Word. Dear friend, don't miss the class. Listen till the end. Don't skip the video, because if you skip the video, it's actually it harms me for growth on YouTube. Listen till the end, and this will be very helpful. If you miss anything, so you will miss a very important part of the this tutorial. So we will go through overall look of the LibreOffice and its performance, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, because your one subscription motivates me a lot to make more tutorial video in future. We will add more video about LibreOffice. For this update, we will come here. You see, we are now inside LibreOffice. I was making my resume for our some work for video editing. Here you see, we come here, and you see this is our interface. When you open LibreOffice, if you work, you are well familiar with LibreOffice, I know. And here you see help in here help. We will click here, and this is about the LibreOffice help, etc. And get involved if you want to cooperate. Donate to LibreOffice. If you work in LibreOffice and earn something, please donate here some $5 to $3 can donate. There is no obligation. And here check for update, dear friend. Here we will just click for check for update. You see LibreOffice here our version is which I am using in LibreOffice is, you see, 24.2.3.2. This is our version, but here this is our new version. If you want to download this version is 24, you see 2.6, means this is 3 version, this is 6. And click if you want to download here. I want to download because I need updated LibreOffice with more features. I will just click here. You see, this is our website of LibreOffice here. It's a totally free. It's a good for engineers, professional students, and NGOs. They can use it totally free. You don't have to pay anything, and this is good. And this is the only replacement of MS Office alternative. If you are searching alternative, you don't want to buy or pirate. You don't want to use pirated software. And this is a lightweighted actually LibreOffice. Here you see our latest release with new find deck in the sidebar. There will be new deck bar in the sidebar. Many new spreadsheet functions have been added. New spreadsheet function and much more. You have to explore. You once download. You see, this is the new version here for download. This is also the stable branch. This is the previous stable branch of LibreOffice. When you click here, you see we had this actually update here 24 to 6. This is the update. But when you come, you see this update is also here. But I will update this. I want to see, but there will be no major difference between these two updates. You see, this is 6 and this is a 24.8. We have to click, just click here. If you have other machines, you can just go for Linux here. You see, Linux to 64-bit, Linux 64-bit RPM. Here you can Mac OS on Apple Silicon. You have to click here. Mac OS on Intel, you have to click here. Windows 32 bits here, and Windows ARC 64-bit, Windows 64-bit. Choose this option according to your system, okay, your machine. I want to click here. Yeah, this on default here, Windows 64-bit. We will just click here. Now it's downloading LibreOffice to our system. When you come here, you see you can donate here. Donate via PayPal, donate via credit card. You can directly donate $2, $3, $5. If you don't donate, actually the LibreOffice will not survive. MS Office is so costly. LibreOffice is totally free. There is no obligation. You can download and use. When you don't like, delete. I always keep LibreOffice in my, you see here, I have LibreOffice in my system because I use it's a very lightweighted software, dear friend. One-time donation you can make from here. Hello, dear friend. I have downloaded LibreOffice, new version of LibreOffice. Come here, you see help. You see, for this if you want to check the update has been implemented or not. For this you have to come here and check for update. You see our update is now LibreOffice here 24.8. This is the new version. And you see about the notes, release notes of new version on LibreOffice website. Come here, you see 24.8. This is release version. So you can learn new features. I have downloaded. Now I will explore all. Today in class we will normally learn how LibreOffice works, how it's different from MS Office. Here you see these are the new features have been added, and there are some bugs fixes here. And if you type sentences here, you can change positions here. You see font effects, Asian layout, hyperlinks. You see these are a special copy, cut, paste. About this, there is a more stable performance now. And you see text flow. You once go to the website of LibreOffice, you learn one by one. And these new features, some new features have been added. There are some bug fixes, and it's more stable now. This is actually, you go one by one, read, and there are lots of changes here. So come here now to LibreOffice. See, our this is LibreOffice here. And when you come here, if you are new to LibreOffice, here you file, you see file here. This is new. If you want to new, you can from here you can open text file like with Word, MS Office, document file, spreadsheet. If you want to write sheets here for like Excels, you can open from here. Just from here you can open. You see, this is Excel, so very convenient. From here you can open everything. And here you could come here new. And from here presentation, if you want to make a presentation, you so it's a good. There are various type of template here. You can text template. For example, I want to this, I will open this template here. You see, so beautiful template. These are totally free, and that's why we should donate to LibreOffice. Here I don't want to work now here in presentation. We just close here. Now I come here, and you see here you can drawing. If you want to draw here anything, lines, everything, there are lots of things to be done here. You see vector, there are lots of vectors here. You see this type of if you want in project like these things to draw and write lots of things, it's a very easy LibreOffice, totally free, and features rich. Here colors you can change. In the next class, please write which type of tutorial do you want about LibreOffice. And here we come here, the same way new, you can HTML document, you can click here you can formula. This is good for mathematicians. You have lots of mathematician work, special document you want to make. LibreOffice is perfect for you. It's a very lightweighted, and it's the best point of LibreOffice that it doesn't collect your data. MS Office collect your data. It can sell your data. If you have very something secret works and typing lots of things, LibreOffice is the only good option for you. That's why lots of people use LibreOffice. From here, HTML document you can make here, directly type here HTML document here. See HTML document. If you want to make HTML document, don't save. I don't want to save here. From here you can close, open. If you have any file here, open remote. You can open remote if you have any file in remote. And here you come here, open any things you want to open from here. Directly you can open the file from here. And you know, if they are template, if you want to edit a template, if you have template in here in E drive, F drive, anywhere, you can edit template from here directly. And lots of wizards, letters, you see here, can do. I will just click here. When we come here, you can export file from here. Export as export as PDF, export directly EPUB. If you want to have book publication on Amazon, you can use this format. There are lots of things in one class we can't cover, but today we just cover about, you see, edit here, select all, select mode, find and replace. You can find. If you anything, you have to find, control F. You have to click control F. You click control F here, find and replace anything, control H. Here you see the view normal, like toolbars. You see new toolbars have been added here. You see 3D settings. See the bullets and numberings, align objects. In the next class we learn it's a one by one, and there are lots of things to learn here. You see zoom 100%, 50%. You see 100. You can zoom less here if you want, directly from here. Insert mode, there you see you can insert directly any photo. If you have any photo from here, you can select and directly insert here in the document, inside the document. Formatting, you see, for formatting here, we will format all type of format, spelling, align text, you see spacing, text, scrolling, character, list, bullets and numberings. Every type of formatting, when you know, here we can format here. Tables, you see here, forms, various type of forms here, list forms, check forms, labels, you can add labels. Design, here you can add file selections from here. This is the tool. Actually, here you see tools, various type of tools. From here you can take a language here, language selection. This is window, and this is here you know about LibreOffice, what's this, and their guide. You can learn, donate here about check, inspect from check from here. Now you see every type of people. If you want table here in LibreOffice, I come here. This is my resume. I was making my resume in LibreOffice. Now you see here, for my video editing, I was making resume. Here we come here, and we can table. If you want table, for example, you can, I want 4 row here, 6. Okay, here I will add anything, 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, up 4, 5. In this way, here I will type number here. I will add point here. It's very convenient here to do in LibreOffice. Something in MS Word, which you do everything in everything can be done in LibreOffice. It's the good point here. Insert image. If you want to insert image, I will take any image. I will come to here to F drive here. I have this image here. I want to take this image. open. You see our image has been directly inserted to LibreOffice. This is the image, our tutorial about the Vinci Resolve 19.0.3 update. If you want to learn video editing software, you can join our channels. Here from you can we learn here resize. Very conveniently you can resize. You can add photo directly to your CV from here. If you want to add photo here, you see it's so convenient. In the next class, please write. I will add more tutorials in the series I want. You see now I have added photo here, and I have made table something, so which you do in the MS Words. Everything can be done. There are lots of things we explore in LibreOffice. You see any things you want to insert a comment shortcut, remember shortcut, then it will be very convenient to work in LibreOffice. For this comment, if you want to Control Alt and C, just you can write here comment anything you want to add. This is wrong, for example, I want to, this is wrong. When you have edit, this is wrong, you will write comment like correct. You will guide here. From there you can give instruction here, and you can save directly in this is the only every type of format support which you in MS Office do you use same format here. This add support here. There are lots of vector and graphics formula you can use from here. See line spacing. Next class we learn about if you have highlight, it's a very easy anything you can. For example, I want to color like MS Word. I want to colorize this, like highlight this with color. I will select here. I will select here. You see here I will add color like this. I can take the other color which I want. Like for example, I want this color yellow. I will add like yellow is such type of color. Here you can directly add to color to any black. It will be black. Here you see clear direct formatting. Control M is shortcut. Here you underline if you want to underline the text. Here you can make it italic. I want to make italic. Here I can click, it will be bold. Here you see text. Same in MS Office. From here you can make bigger. You see it will be bigger size here. Here I want to take 14 here for highlighting in our resume. In this way you can highlight here. Same thing here, you can, you see a strike through. It will be a strike through like cross here will be letter will be, your words will be crossed between. In this way you can use undo here, and table you can add from here. Insert text box, it will be work like text box. Anywhere you can insert. You see here I want to insert, and now I want to type something special before text box. You see, for example, our please subscribe channel, dear friend. Please subscribe. From here, please subscribe. I can color, make color like I want to highlight like this, change color from here to red, and I want to increase the font. From here I will increase. Just in this way it's bigger. I will take a smaller. I can resize the text box from here. You see very conveniently in LibreOffice. It's a, you see it's a very lightweight software. It doesn't collect your data. It's safe to work in LibreOffice. That's if you have much more data and you don't want to share, you don't want that anyone steal your data. It's a good LibreOffice. You donate $5-6 and you can work here. I can replace anywhere I want from here. I will drag, I will put here. For demo purpose, I am showing you how you can work in actually in LibreOffice. In the next class, we learn here. You see there are lots of things. Here properties, here style. We can change gallery, here page, or you find. You see find Alt +9. Anything you want. If you want to find, just click Alt +9. Anything you want to find, just click Alt +9. Find Alt +9. You can click here, and navigators. This is Alt 4 for navigator, navigate anything. In this way LibreOffice works. No, I have updated. If you don't have updated, please update. From here you have to save. Don't save, you click here save. Dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel here, and then in the next class we learn here there are lots of save we can use in LibreOffice. Dear friend, share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial, and I have lots of update on our website. I will put this download link under some tutorials about our software update and graphic designing and video editing software. From there you can learn, join our class. Write comment which type of tutorial do you need about LibreOffice and other software update. I will make for you, dear friends. Take care, bye.